आमच्या FC गोवाक आणि खूप व्हडली मॅच आसा FC गोवा वर्सेस अल नासर, वन ऑफ द टॉप क्लब्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड आणि येस आमी खूप एक्सायटेड आनी एक्चुअली मातशे सगळे एक्सायटेड आशिल्ले रोनाल्डो खातीर, बट तेज्याकूय म्हणल्यार तेज्याकूय मातशे कमी दर्जेचे स्टार्सूय आसात. फेलिक्स आसा, माने आसा जो लिव्हरपूलाक खेळिल्लो आहा, सो आमी एक्सायटेड आहा ह्या प्लेयरांकूय पळोवपाक. बट खंय ना जाल्यार मातशें तरी वायट दिसता की रोनाल्डो येवना. मे बी नेक्स्ट टायम येतलो आनी आमी पळयतले केन्ना तरी परत. फोर्सा गोवा, गोवा फोर्सा गोवा, फोर्सा गोवा, वी डू उजो, वी डू.
दुर्गा जायसवाल है, मैं मिनी ब्राजील डिस्ट्रिक्ट शहडोल मध्य प्रदेश से हूँ और मैं यहाँ मैच देखने का अभी अल नासर वर्सेस FC का गोवा का जो मैच है वो देखने आया हूँ. और मैंने टिकट जो है काफ़ी 1 महीने पहले से मैंने टिकट बुक किया है और काफ़ी ज़्यादा रस है. मुझे तो सपोर्ट मैं रोनाल्डो को करने आया हूँ, लेकिन रोनाल्डो तो आया नहीं है. आई विल मिस वेरी मिस रोनाल्डो, बट आई विल सपोर्ट FC गोवा एंड बिग फैन फॉर रोनाल्डो लाइक दिस. प्रोफेशनल फुटबॉलर हूँ. मेरा पोजीशन राइट विंगर है. मैं भी फुटबॉल उसी को देख के मैंने खेलना सीखा है. रोनाल्डो को काफ़ी इंस्पिरेशनल है मेरे लिए. और रोनाल्डो
मध्य प्रदेश में क्लब को खेलते हैं कि
मध्य प्रदेश में मैंने अभी DFA क्लब डिस्ट्रिक्ट फुटबॉल एसोसिएशन में क्लब ज्वाइन किया है. और मिनी ब्राज़ील काफ़ी ज़्यादा अभी फेमस चल रहा है. मिनी ब्राज़ील डिस्ट्रिक्ट शहडोल में भी मोदी जी ने उन्हें इसी के बारे में बात किया. मैं उसी से बिलोंग करता हूँ, मिनी ब्राज़ील. तो रोनाल्डो नहीं आ रहा तो मैंने तो टिकट ऑब्वियसली मैंने रोनाल्डो के देख के ही मैंने टिकट बाय किया. अगर मुझे पता होता कि रोनाल्डो नहीं आ रहा तो मैं शायद मिस करता या FC गोवा को नहीं देख पाता जो भी हो. लेकिन अगर अब टिकट तो मैंने बाय कर लिया, लेकिन फिर भी सपोर्ट विल भी माने हैं जो वो भी आ रहे हैं. और 2-3 प्लेयर ऐसे फेमस प्लेयर हैं जो मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा देखा हूँ उनको जो खेले हैं. अभी रोनाल्डो में जो जूनियर है, यंग प्लेयर है, अभी पोर्चुगल से खेल रहे हैं, वो अभी बार्सिलोना में अभी हुआ है, उनका चयन हुआ है, उसको भी सपोर्ट करने आ रहा हूँ, वो भी खेलने आ रहे हैं.
इज अ बिग फुटबॉलर फैन. मैं आज यहाँ पे आया हूँ सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपने दोस्त के कारण, जो दुर्गा जायसवाल. ये रोनाल्डो का बहुत बड़ा फैन है, तो उसने कहा रोनाल्डो आ रहा है तो मैं यहाँ पे आया. फिर रोनाल्डो का कैंसिल हो गया, बट वी स्टिल सपोर्ट FC गोवा. और मैं चाहता हूँ आज का मैच FC गोवा जीते, और चाहे कुछ भी हो पर मैच का पूरा मजा आना चाहिए. आज अच्छा माहौल है, बहुत मस्त मजा आ रहा है गोवा में हमको यहाँ पे आके. और लेट्स सी क्या होता है. आज मैं आया हूँ आज इसके कारण. ये है फुटबॉल प्लेयर, ये है रोनाल्डो का फैन, बट वी स्टिल सपोर्ट FC गोवा. ऑलवेज इंडियन, वी सपोर्ट इंडियन टीम. व्हाटएवर हैपेंस वी सपोर्ट इंडियन क्लब. दैट्स द मेन थिंग. वी सपोर्ट फुटबॉल. मैं चाहता हूँ फुटबॉल और ज्यादा ग्रो हो, और ज्यादा रस हो, क्रिकेट से और ऊपर जाए फुटबॉल. लेट्स गो.
We come from Hyderabad.
So you have come to enjoy football.
Yes, we are football fans, so yeah.
Are you disappointed that Ronaldo is not here?
Yeah, a little. But it's okay. We just support the game.
And my name is Kshitij. We had come to look at Ronaldo, but sadly Ronaldo is not come. But we are fine with Joao Felix and Sadio Mane. So we are excited to see the match.
We have come all the way from Santa Cruz just to, we are excited because Al Nassr is a great team, and FC Goa, of course, we are supporters of FC Goa, and we are a little bit, not that much, a little bit disappointed because of Cristiano Ronaldo is not coming. But anyways, there are great players to watch in Al Nassr, like Sadio Mane, Joao Felix, etc. Plus, Saudi is a great team. It's a best team we can say in Asia.
So we thought we would support. It's happening in our hometown, and if we don't go to watch it, we'll be like disappointed and things like that. To avoid all this stuff, we thought let's go and have a look. Let's watch the match.
So
enjoy, support FC Goa.
Any team which you're going to support?
Yeah, FC Goa.
FC Goa, we are going to support. Yeah, we are supporting FC Goa, but also the crowd's favorite is Al Nassr as well, because I am also a Ronaldo fan. FC Goa first.
I was from Bangalore. So excited to come over here. Today we expecting Ronaldo. Unfortunately, couldn't able to come up. We just listen now, and obviously so excited to watch the FC Goa and Al Nassr. Thank you.
So any team which you're going to support?
Al Nassr, obviously Ronaldo fans. Not about the clubs and all, because of the Ronaldo fans.
This is Rajneesh Verma, and I think this game is a historic game for entire India, and let's hope for the best. And रोनाल्डो नहीं आने की वजह से काफ़ी मतलब दुख हुआ, पर फिर भी बाकी सारे हाई वैल्यू प्लेयर्स आ रहे हैं, जैसे कि सैडियो माने हो गया, जोआओ फेलिक्स हो गया, मार्टिनेज हो गया. तो खुशी है तभी भी. देखते हैं आज का मैच इंटरेस्टिंग होगा.
My name is Carlos Gonsalves. We are all set today to play against Al Nassr, the great team. We are all FC Goa fans, and we are going to bang the stadium with the music tonight, you know. And then we are also the best FC Goa. So let's see today Al Nassr versus FC Goa. Thank you. Jagdish.
Okay.
We are supporters for FC Goa, and we feel it's important to support our local team more than supporting Al Nassr, because it's high time that we support Indian football and promote Goan football as well. Thank you.
फुल गोवाच म्हणटा रोनाल्डो ना, बट माझ्या भितर असो हे आसा की रोनाल्डो येवना दॅट्स एडवांटेज फॉर अस. लायक जर रोनाल्डो येयल्लो जाल्यार आमकां खबर आसा तो कसो प्लेयर आसा. तो येवना एडवांटेज आमकांच जाता. सो आमी वायट धरून घेवचे न्ही. एट द एंड ते आमचे रायवल्स. सो आमी तांकां जर आमी सपोर्ट करता, आमच्या भुरग्यांक सपोर्ट कोण करतलो, तो मेन इश्यू आसा. सो सगळे जाणां रोनाल्डो करत उरता, बट आमच्या FC गोवा ह्या नांवान कोणूच सपोर्ट करता अशें पळोवना हांवें. सगळे जाण रोनाल्डो येता म्हणून FC गोवा वांगडा खेळटा अशें जाता सगळ्यांचें. सो तो एक आमकां इम्प्रूव करपाचें इंडियन फुटबॉलान, तरच आमचें इंडियन फुटबॉल खंय तरी वयर पावतलें. फातोर्डा जो ग्रावंड आहा तो हायब्रीड ग्रावंड असो म्हटलो वयता. फूल इंडियान हितून हांगा फिफाचे मॅचीस सुरू जाल्ले अंडर 17 वुमेन्स वर्ल्ड कपाक, तेन्ना हो हायब्रीड ग्रावंड केल्लो. सो क्वॉलिटी ह्या ग्रावंडाची आसात, बट नॉट लायक युरोपियन कंडिशन. जेन्ना आमचे प्लेयर्स भायर वचून एक्सप्लोर करतले, जेन्ना आमचे ग्रावंड्समॅन किंवा आनी कोण जे ग्रावंडार काम करतात ते भायर वचून जेन्ना एक्सप्लोर करतले, तेन्ना तांकां कळटले भायली लेवल कशी आसता आनी इंडियाची लेवल कशी आसता.
Hello everyone, I'm from Delhi. I came all the way to watch Al Nassr. It's a really good opportunity to see this club, because we have to travel all the way to Saudi Arabia, or like we came here to see Ronaldo, but sadly he's not coming. But there are other players also. The good thing is that we keep the football spirit inside us and watch the match.
गुजरात गुड. ओके, किसको सपोर्ट कर रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है मैच? रोनाल्डो तो नहीं आ रहा है,
बट FC गोवा को सपोर्ट करेंगे.
गुजरात से खाली उसके लिए आए हो?
पहली बार स्टेडियम में देखने आ रहे हैं, बस उसी के लिए आए हैं. ये लाइव मैच देखेंगे, FC गोवा को खेलते हुए देखेंगे, एंड जो अल नसर की भी बहुत अच्छी टीम आ रही है उनको भी खेलते हुए देखेंगे. फुटबॉल एंजॉय करना है.
Afternoon, I am Arav Buch from Vadodara, Gujarat. I was specially here for Cristiano Ronaldo and Al Nassr obviously, but listening that Ronaldo is not here, my half excitement has died, but yet I am here for the football match. I play football, I pursue football a lot, and so I'm here for Al Nassr, and I will keep chasing Ronaldo until my luck denies me. Thank you.
Thank you, boss. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's go Al Nassr.
You are from
Gujarat.
You have come here to support Al Nassr.
Yes,
Yeah, okay.
because I am a huge fan of Cristiano.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
I'm Hriday and I'm Mukshit. Actually, this is my 4th official live match I'm watching right now, and I'm excited because it is an ACL Champions League 2, and it's a big game for FC Goa. And as an Indian, I always support my country and my homegrown country, so I support FC Goa.
Are you disappointed that Ronaldo is not coming?
Actually, I never hoped for him because I knew that he will come or he will not come.
He didn't play that day. Al Nassr, their side of the game, so he didn't play. So we didn't expect much that he will come here.
Yes, we had the hopes of watching Ronaldo. We were very excited before. We bought the tickets for him only, but actually it's pretty sad that we didn't get to watch him.
So now which team you are going to support?
Obviously FC Goa. We are here just to enjoy the match actually. Not to support, we are just here for the vibes.
We are just here to enjoy, have a great time, that's it. And watch our players again.
You have come here to support?
Yes.
FC Goa.
Came here to support one of the teams.
Same.
On the world. Plain and safe.
You are from?
Let's go on.
Let's go.
Where are you guys from? Kandal and Goa.
Anjana.
Okay.
What's your take on today's match? Big game. Hope FC Goa win.
I think FC Goa is winning.
Underdogs, but we're here to win. Don't want to lose.
What is your take on seeing players like Mane, Kingsley Coleman and Joao Felix?
It's obviously a big thing. Coming to a place like Goa, we want to see them. I think most of us are here for them. But if Goa win it,
Our team.
yeah, we're here to support our team.
When Ronaldo didn't board the flight, was there any particular feeling you felt?
Obviously, we're disheartened.
we want to win the game. We don't care about our opponent. We don't care about ourselves. Yeah.
What is your message for the team for today?
Come on, we got this. We're gonna win. We're gonna win. Who's up?
Today, Ronaldo should have been there since he has got that goal culture in him. And there's so much of people who anticipated him, but he has failed. He has failed to give Goa what Goa wanted. Yeah? So what do you have to say?
I'm Glenn Miranda. I'm an ex-Salgaonkar player, Vasco player, Bombay player. And I thought Ronaldo would come and give Goans spirit. Not that we wanted him to play, but at least he should have come for the match and sat out and made Goans happy. Thank you.
So would the arrival of Ronaldo would have been a big boost to football?
Yeah, the arrival of Ronaldo would have brought more people to our ground. And all our Goans would have come together to wish him. So we are really sad about it. But anyway.
So what do you have to say? Yeah, it's the same thing. Back again. Ronaldo should have come. Anyway, let's see what João Felix has could display in this game today. Any team that you are going to support? Well, we are going to support FC all our way because this is Goan team.
So we have to support.
So we have to support.
माझे नाव ऋषिकेश कामत. हांव सांखळीच्यान येयला. मी FC गोवा सपोर्टर. रोनाल्डो येवंक ना म्हणून मातशें डिसअपॉयंटेड आहा आमी. पण तशें कांय ना, आमी फूल FC गोवा फूल सपोर्ट करपाक येयल्लेले आसा हांगा आनी आमी FC गोवा जिखता म्हणून आमकां फूल विश्वास आसा.
रोनाल्डो येयलो जाल्यार मातसो स्टँडर्ड मातसो वाडचो लायलो. खूब फॅन्स आहा हांगा गोंयान आमच्या रोनाल्डोचे. पूण असं कांय ना, बाकी आमची टीम आमी आमच्या होम टिमीक सपोर्ट करपाक लागला FC गोवा सागेच्यान येयल्या आनी खूब जाण दिसता खूब सपोर्टर भायले आउट ऑफ गोवाचे सुद्दां खूब सपोर्टर आहा. सो पळोवया, गेम बरी जातली, क्रेजी गेम जातली, पळोवया.
आमची गोंयची टीम आहा, आमकां बरें दिसता खूब की इतले पयस पावले घेवन. रोनाल्डो ना म्हणून एक मातशें डिसअपॉयंटेड आहा, पूण कांय ना, सपोर्ट आहा आमचो फूल.
अशें दिसता की फुडाराक रोनाल्डो येतलो असो.
ते आतां फुडले आतां मागीर पळोवं येता, पूण कांय ना, एक टीम बरी करता हें बरें दिसता पळोवन.
I'm Margarita Tabra, originally from Panjim, but now living in Raya. Naturally, we've come to support FC Goa. We were disappointed that Ronaldo didn't come. It's not easy to pay an 8,500 ticket for today, but finally we are Goans. I think that FC Goa deserves every Goan support, irrespective of the result. Viva Goa and Viva Forza FC Goa.
Okay. माझी ट्रॅफिक अरेंजमेंट झालं सुरळीत चल्ला. सो फार काय ब्लॉकेज बी त्याची ना. टोटल आम्ही 180 स्टाफ डिप्लॉय केला. ट्रॅफिका डिफरंट सेक्टर डिवायड केल्या. सो फार पीसफुल आहा सिच्युएशन, बरें चल्ला.
सध्या क्राऊड टिकलो ना तुमकां?
क्राऊड अजून ना, मॅचीक टायम आसा सो येतलो. पीक टायम वील बी म्हजे कोतान म्हज्या अंदाजान 7:30 बी असो पीक तुमी पळयतले टायम.
Okay, what I feel is if Ronaldo could have come in Goa, it would have definitely boosted the people. They would be very excited because we all know like Ronaldo is a legend, and there are so many fans of Ronaldo throughout the world and in Goa also. So I feel the young boys could have been motivated. They are inspiration, another inspiration for all of us who are playing football.
आज FC गोवा कळना सर गेम आसा आनी म्हाका खूब बरें दिसता की आज आमची FC गोवा आमकां प्रावड आसा. येदी व्हडली इंटरनॅशनल टीम आनी इंटरनॅशनल प्लेयर आमकां गोंयकारांक पळोवंक गावता. हें आमचें नशीब. हें फक्त घडलें फक्त FC गोवा खातीर. सो हांव FC गोवाचे खूब धन्यवाद मानता कित्याक हांव FC गोवाचो पयलीं फॅन सुद्दां आसा. सो आनी हांव खूब एक्सायटेड जाला. पूण फक्त मातशें दिसलें की रोनाल्डो ना म्हणून ह्या रोनाल्डो मातसो मिस जाता, म्हणजे खूब मिस जाता. ओके.